So in a very special way and aketo tebing Purity Kirera ningoyo director karibu sana.
Asante.
Yes.
Purity Kirera no mwana bomugusi mwana bomonchari.
Oh yes.
Kurwalia bogiakumu bomwanda.
Yes.
Igonde director ya Bomas of Kenya. Na ituribaga no Musiki William Samoei Ruto. Nande uyu no muchumbe uganyiriro 2027.
Yes.
Abantu bangakire chikura ngo bangete chiyerete bibo.
Neli tulitaraika.
Tuganyete go chibara.
Wete ekira kiraganyirire tinga uganyireire. Anyway, long time, how are you, madam?
I'm very fine.
Karibu sana. Karibu sana. Igoronga kiwa lengi abanginanga kingwa chengete.
Igoro twachengete sana, but yesterday igona chiete go celebrate abangina bebwateraniti.
Oh, that's great.
And I am so glad that igoro mwana nanyorekane to munyaruka nande narugitwirieta Purity mora.
Kai.
Yes.
So still Purity mheshimiwa urukwiro mwana.
Tobwato mheshimiwa junior. So yesterday we celebrated abangina baito. You know, we as women, the reason as to why we celebrate ourselves, number one, nintu tokolento bogima asense yega. Without us women, abanta bange ntwale uja gutokoro. Oseti meeting process ki yale uja gutumeka elinde abantu batokense. So we have achieved so much as women. We've made strides in this competitive era. So we celebrate, and personally I celebrate each and every woman in their respective places.
Andake gochakira ntaragenda somura Matilda. Why International Women Day? Why litukilia liko Maitobona muntu arabulinga litukilia nili tukumonga ndemwe akubuka igota bane litukulira guse ikirenga kikilia bekiretuo
ekerenga nkero kiabekiretuo. Remember abasubati twabeirenga kisana entambe totali kwesoki buya, lakini bono nande bintu nebinge abasubati tuachiviri across the globe. Oise kuligereria across the globe abasubati tuachiviri ebintu ebinge nabange. So eri tukerigeria bete set aside. We celebrate the achievement of women, the presence of women in the globe. So I think it's a good day for us to also celebrate.
Thank you.
Mheshimiwa Purity, andake kirenga kyo mwako yega ingeriki nande naki mwanyalete kugekirania alituko oreigoro ekero kwari gutingira na basubati au
kirenga kyo actually tinche tukoligererie kirenga mono kia Women's Day yesterday, because I decided to go to celebrate umusubati ulionse.
Oh yes.
At the grassroots level, because abasubati abaigana bago chibebwa kwanyoranga ntuchi directors abalimu usenindu togo chenguru, but oliole nsali nere okonyora bwebiru. Like yesterday in the evening ntuwabwa togo sangirikananka.
Ah yes.
Toka kwana mangana mange nga kitogo chigokonya na buna abasubati going forward. Elinde tumanye oyo musubati oyo nsega, musubati at the grassroots level. Musubati tote for example tachieti konyora libaga lyoko soma turatebe. Abasubati bali okonyora bakogenda chikonda. Abasubati you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Toga kwana mangana mange. How are we going to empower ourselves? How are we going to ensure we eradicate poverty within ourselves? So tinche tukuligere likerenga mono kirikia bekire, but I just wanted to celebrate these women in their self. Yes.
Na ekero gusanga nabasubati kurasoro gongoro wagusi andake babiri bawo kweranga ningige kugira abasubati batari gwesokia asi birugo buna bono amabaga yoburai nabo go batari abangi okonyora ngambali kutina kongo asi amangana agisiasa.
Matilda. Yes. Siasa nenko. Siasa sabasubati nenko.
Yes.
Ogo chigotebi musubati soka. Igente getangani akogotebi gakinimbuate chinguru chyokoramu. Nimbuate chinguru choko irwe biara. So again taken kelinga aba there is male chauvinism.
Yes.
Kurunga taasubi.
Exactly. So there is that mentality ya gusi erenga musubati takunyara kugamba. Lakini from where I sit, I think it's an awkward mentality in the 21st century.
Yeah,
because oisekuligereri nonyechi community chiri that were perceived korra omosubati buno mwana already they've elected women and not nomination on elective seats. Oisekuligereri bunabono Samburu omosubati lesuda.
Yeah, lesuda.
Naturally. We all know nga Samburu nero njabwata mangana abu culture and all that. Ogende Nandi musubati naro cholire kurororo. And they are doing marvelously well. So again tekkenenen kelinga bunabono gusiya ito abasubati bado ntobwo babolingo soka guchikeruge keiga nabonda irwe byara mono, which is true because from experience I've seen it all. I've been told ayago chana yakogenda, but this resilience, the commitment, the focus on what personally I want to achieve has really made me move forward. Yes.
Mheshimiwa, you've said hali hanga kwalingina bangina bali bake okonyoro kwensekegima. You see, from the celebration of the International Women's Day, ngaki omungina ulekalia okonyora kwayo wainse okuimuka ndake tanyo telibaga ali okugendekirasi ndake tanyo telibaga ali okonywa muno ase family nene tabinyole telibaga ali okobono ase family manyire okonyora kwaye nuli okoboko numunwa. You know, understand what I mean?
Yes.
Inki litukirira likomwa nkinera kwera ngali tukonga ekerungwete babo kibiru tikirera bako ba celebrate la ba matilda obayigo bali ba chire grass bako ba celebrate. What about inchi musbatuli igorongwa sangi na bugoro litukirira ngakiri ko bayimukinereria momoyo nga despite anything nere she is a woman.
You know, most of these women at the grassroots level baribarense mbamanyithinga, some of them mbamanyithinga litukeliga lirororo.
Yeah.
First thing lirororo.
Yeah.
The next thing neriyabo. So through information, through talking to them, through sharing the importance of even celebrating themselves in their little way, nkonyora bali kumanyanga litukeliga ndire important. Ribonete go set aside for them to just put down all the loads, but we celebrate no musubati because omusubati omanyete no nyana ase nyumba atarateba ngochitore ko ragira nabo abana bararare nchara
Ne family no mugana ba abantu
no mugaka. So sometimes putting all that load and just celebrate the flower that you are it came out clearly. And kana kuligereria abasubati bali naroche the yani omogoko asibare to learn that there is a day ndanyale kubeke michando yane kando celebrate as a woman the small achievements gekogera no musubati olionse the things that she has achieved as a person no nye yani gukora kendi gyonsi as a person, there are things they have achieved rather. So for them lacking this information nere nkuba affect in one way or the other nali batali kulima, but since bali manyete, and this is something we are going to personally, I'm going to take an initiative to ensure omusubati in Bonchari, across Bonchari, at the grassroots level, at the polling station level, bamanyire what is yani kendi gyonsi kira abakonye buno musubati so that abasubati bonsi bibaito babe informed. Yes.
Mbiyamona sana na mheshimiwa sense mayende konyorore nga abasubati abange dero bale victims ya ba gender based violence nabo igonto bwati abasubati bamenyete boka gusi babwati abana lakini babwati abasacha tubwati abasubati baraba buraka mbasubati mbaro konyoranga abande batabwati abana abayiga bonsi na kiyoko babeka hamo na kibusomo kusiaranya ko babeka hamo eri no musubati yamanyanga despite institution iliale nabakonyara gutenenekere gukegoro gusena nde nabakonyara kuboyu bwengenjo nabo igatware influence ucha sabantu
ama case study. I'm a single mother of 3 kids, 3 beautiful girls. And I usually, and again, thank you, my and I can proudly say that there are circumstances you could lead kwaba single.
Yeah, true.
There are circumstances, and some are unavoidable. Yes. Because when it's not working, it's not working. So some decisions that women make, especially bariba rure as a chinka chiabo, it is not a 1+1 decision. Nege ntwa ikaransete akarraga igali bagankwa kokogoro kobuneke tigangendenka ndendera abana. Gender-based violence is something that is really affecting not only women, it's also affecting men. So ekinege ntonande abasubati ngosomi kubare, it is everywhere. Every leader right now, from where I sit, they are advocating against GBV. So it's information about both male and female. When you are a victim, how do you ensure people know? Maite montonaro ogochukwa kwaba victim kwobo agukwana. Muna kwanyoro mugaka ngo itwale nyumba. Obo agosoka gokoraki na kiroche depression ye ichoire abantu bakonywa mariogo beita ba commit suicide. So but ekero we've sensitized all this aba subati na na victims rende generally ba manyire where to run to, where to report to. It is easier for them to even curb this vice that toward us a community. But again, I think it is with the information, with the sensitization, again, I think abantonko gendera bale konyora information about GBV.
Lero mheshimiwa Akoregeiga mheshimiwa Purity Akoregeiga on media. You see there's a lady somewhere uligali nkamungina naligalia uranse ensemlio kunerelewa mangana iga GBV. Lakini rende litukili yaba unaliale ngeto kulichingira nande no ulegaiga with some other leaders batolu manyunaye. Nkyo musubati agwente ko kora ekero kuniruku abiro konene musubana naligali wakwibiranya musubana naligali ogusunwa naligali okulinwe ndagira na haruniri no enini buyaye andaba abantu baligali basubati bachandikete sana due to amangana yokunerelwa lakini bado noa yani erena bale meretibu gumobo gagwitime chande mengi andake because of lack of information lero no ligaiga kwana ngunapo
umaete ngochinde natebi abantu ngana ke at the end of the day na yokoyuboruru.
Oh yes,
it's you as a person. And a decision which you can make as a person. Because onye kore victim naye yokonereriwa ogo itukira lituko naye omubero okonya guchi okolemereri at the end of the day ogo chikwalemereri onyole gwasiriri obugima okolemereri mbia abayiboli bayitombale merati naki oranyole abange. That is why abasubati nko batebi onye kwaligiri obokonyi wachira somo chief. In fact wachakire nyumba 10
clanel omo tulete
otaragenda somo tulete into
bagakaba nyumba 10. Yes,
umanye ko genda somo tulete ogenda somo chief waike somo sub chief bokonyi mboyo chaka kuli enchira yogwekonya as a person ritangani because security starts with us. Lakini sometimes nandengo chinde na tebya bayibori ekero omwana kwarolire obugima asale mboli buya kabo mutangani go protect omwana yakogera most of the time abasubati naenda banga barengo chinakwana na barabo okomuboli gakyae baba eyokolemerera inkororo mbuya lakini oraku kolega igogoitu ogosenyentu tali ogoitu okugwa kawaida ogoitu nkoro okugwa kawaida kuli kwa once in a while. Lakini okonyora umusubati agoitu every other time. every other time umusubati yagoitwa lakini nwale mereti gogo chiko mubori otebaga kinga ingochi
yes
ngaki abantu bago chikondora abana banga inkuira you understand so those are some of the things ngochi natebi abasubati jiamini wewe as a person jiamini kabisa as a person gekogera ekero gwakule lyoli abana bango gochikubalinda ekero kwabunekire gose kwakirwe eliso kwabeire blind abana abalioli ngo gochikubalinda it's easier ekero you are in good health olinda abana bao and again the community ekero barochenga musubati oyo iga gosomo gako metino nabagakango itubale neli batali gokwana yani ounerigo they also need to come and offer protection to these people because sometimes okonyoro musubati ago chikuliginga kinga kiago chigo chako bugima bwaye yabora ya inasababisha for them ko endure that violence
yero koremerelio mechandeli yes
exactly.
Yeah. Right, wachumulili anda kembono kotonyora Bill want to inform you ngatura manere director Bomas of Kenya tugonera amushimi wa Piruti Kirera abonu mambia nikiringi kanene litukuli mulio kama iga yogo chengira alitukuli ya subati in Singima. We are still celebrating na kia tuenere giga as studio as a guman togo sanganaje bono mambianga ine ayenusa nigetego chengira litukuli gali ya amusubati ine numanyi tinga yumuswa no bwingenje as I'm here in the studio AMO asemo material
mbona sana na mheshimiwa ase ensemo yende okonyoranga obutaka bono bokubwaterene mostly abantu bako affected no butaka okonyoranga abasubati n'abana babo anana monekero tokurige buna bono bali barabataka no busabaga kababo basirire okonyoranga yese binyoro mono na bakonyareka na sensemo yende ntobata abasubati bali bakoibora abana bange no nyare gukwanira amangana yo kyane obutaka as well as amangana family planning Baswati.
Okay, Nubotaka, that is poverty eradication. There are so many ways to eradicate poverty in our community. Number one, it is you need to let it start from you, litangani. Ninta gete we sokia, obotako boiganda koraki, ndara eradicate. Number one, ngochinde natebya abantu mbaligereri sana okolikwa egento nkeroge kurukwa agribusiness obolemi obolemi negento kia tajirishire abantu abange even when you look at our president is a great farmer ogende nkayaye chingoko igatugete megondo gabwata alimete. So I really encourage people to swear asobolimi monto naro go chigombolinga ngakinga inkorusi omogondo yakogere megonda aro totebanie kene yakeire gusi nanda stu amanyete megondo neroro eskimu naro bachakiro no baichoiroro kogenda kwa nyoro muntu mbutulira kaeka keri nkonyora tuli na riskimu amali mungu chakale gukoraki gokeana I usually advocate aso ebiombe tubwaterane unebiombe toteba bangina nonye 10 osabangina nonye 20 torente resources inkenkenke tolizi tokombo mugondo tochake nebi what do you call it this 3 months produce
ebintu ebimelie bigabiya
ya bwangu ya bwangu tuoncholeri
yes
tokobeke target ngaboniga around yonye tokonyora buya nabana tugwakanira chi school fees twakanesha gose any medical cover eyere tumanyete bintu bunebiga na bibigo chibiatu ita more especially umete kero koligere limone gento kego chigeita kego chikia abantu baitu bokonyora once birengereri ngakyo mwana nako gende school ngakinko mwakanira school fees ekero moko chamo bune kiombe and then mwabeke birengerere mwabeka goals chiri mutagete achieve twatebonye ne chingoko togokoraki togotuga we get someone ogocha koboro kinga kichingoko chigotugwa chiri chikoba profitable kitogo simeka so bole mobo igatwanyorire ekikegochi ngechigo twasara nga kitoko nyora tosomi gunga kino ene chingurwe because I came to realize nga chingurwe nchibwate chibasa sana
nande gusira bochigo tugubuya
nande gusina bochigo tugubuya nga kitoko nyora umuntu omo semia aicha to semi ngaki chingurwe chigo tugu ngaki chingoko chigo tugu ngaki chiombe chigo tugu toni amabere ngaki toko imokani abeko abune kiombe bune biombe bya basubati tobwate twaru 200 monto number 1 number 2 number 3 onye litanga ni twa konyo yoiga next time akitoko konyo yonde anyoro bole mubwaye tunya kurusia bantesa tunya kurusia bantera ini musubati narone ojonte binga yo mugambi kora ndusiera ini njetindiko tenena nabandi ndusia yera ini kuruselie ja ngaki tokurusia banto yo one by one tokurusia yo maso botaka so that we are able to eradicate poverty na omontachi wetenenera through agribusiness. And it is very simple because abantu abasemi bya agriculture mbara available everywhere and they are ready to teach people. Uno muswati umusani ono korukumilka ogokorega siga iga county. She's done a very good job. Akoswa osemi abantu batebichimbe gunchiri chichingia and all that. So to eradicate poverty, it is us, especially as leaders, koire information yeye sumusubati oriolense kusasomwa youth oriolensari kusasomoka oriolensari so that tubwaterane amo as a community poverty akibutaka no voice
neken nabagato butaka mboisia
yes madam asense boyende nelinga andake amangana abuna bono yokubanga ruboro awinko mora basubati aro.
Yes, definitely. Actually, I'm so passionate mostly on cancer issues and also family planning. Nimbwata basani ban even GBV. I have my very Dr. Magdalene Gesare. She's my ambassador. Ogochonso Meria basubati bonchali. Ndobwate Margaret. Ogochonso Meria basubati goro ya cancer. Family planning nerongo kwanira tole. It is an umete ense ya beire ebuna ya beire no nyenya ebukunete betenga togende tonyora abana baichore buna
muchanga
rakirende nebwenrete to cap that basubati baitongo somigu bari on the same and it's something that is also helping them bago somigu which family planning is good for them ekrumete nchiro chiri hormonal and non-hormonal go somigu bari bamanyanga kibako tebonnya abana mbatatata gete nyono yomo ngakia gutanga guchikonyora oyonde so it is work in progress especially in my constituency.
Sante lero tugukwa na Purity Kirera, a lady actually a young lady from Kisibon Chali, director of Bomas, but there's a woman igaling ko gweboling igo. Is it true what a man can do a woman can do it better?
Yes.
Come on.
Yes. It's only one thing that a woman can't do.
Yes.
A man can do.
Yes.
Actually two.
No, mheshimiwa, you see ngameti omuswada gali ikakuma tuwasaide a woman leadership muswada gali otaba nchoma n'umuswada ngakibono usariko di numara abasacha inunkonyara mule genda bushiryoka nche you see unyanyapa bono nche n'umuswada tigambense come on basubati abayigalero katukuba chengera nkiyekeli omusubati yakuja ata anyale gokora because we've seen leaders basubati governors, MPs, women reps, MCAs, directors like you.
Yeah.
Nabande, come on.
Nateva.
Yes.
When you look at these qualifications, to achieve, let's say, let me just use kobomo kochoru no mochumbe.
Yes.
Oso mo president, oso mo governor. Asita yeli kirenga, one of the qualification you have to be a man or a woman.
And I tell you.
Qualification te yogabo, eli kirenga you have to be married or
married
or single.
Yes.
Or divorced.
Yes.
Qualifications you are a Kenyan citizen. You have a degree.
Yes.
You are 18 years and above. You are in sane mind.
Yes.
You are not bankrupt.
Not bankrupt. Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
I mean, if you are eligible, if you qualify, what makes you think that you cannot be elected? Or what makes you think that you cannot be nominated or appointed? Or, I'm telling you, nonye in the corporate sector, without biasness, women have excelled. Women have really excelled and have really done good things.
Yes.
And I say this with a lot of confidence and from experience. Before I joined politics, I was in the corporate world.
Oh, yes.
And I saw how women we were achieving, me being one of them. Because I was a leader, I was a manager for 12 years straight at Old Mutual Investment Company. And I could see how women worked hard. Me included. I could see kero chi awards chi watch. Toko tebi un South Africa to watch. Number 1 to number 10 abasubati. Kora nyora baga ke kubalenge babere batatu. Because there's something that pushes us women. Responsibility. Ngo to push it, and especially single mothers. Which quality religa ninche mbwere te work and school fees ninche goikankole omokia. Even our mothers okoligiriri omo nginole nyomba no mogakoye oligiriringa egento geteiga nkebwenete gokoro buya ogendo seek advice kurwaso mogaka ekero getagete ko ba achieved Aaron no naye nimeto mongina na Aaron ngogo push yale. You can attest there's something that your wife brings kiago push what you achieve egento kerio tagete. So women are self-motivated. True. And women are working hard. That is why no eri tukoria igororoje abantu bachengete across the board the achievements to as women. So ekerongo teba omosubati no nyale rusio buoba buli vacancy onye watagete kobo munyagitali. Yes. It is never too late. Kogicho bwate those qualifications jogo swekirasi so onye watagete koba kerikendi gyonsi watagete koba. I want to encourage every woman, soka genda achieve what you want. Onye na masomo akamba ke PhD kora twara PhD no eni bere isatu. Onye ne biashara soka age biashara mbake nsego tebe mungina nali gaiga. Onye nsiasa inchenso gete yani mondo no ntebi kyogo ntebi ligo soaga igalia soka kuchiga. Because I want to achieve these things to bring change in Bonchari in the way that pleases everybody across Bonchari. Yakogera Bonchari needs a leader of what the Bonchari at heart. Orochi. And sometimes I usually tell myself, if you're not patriotic, notable especially on elective seats. Because if you love your people, you will definitely want to do good for them. Yes.
Bemana sana na madam wasisema inde pale mwesokire burabonaye na boigo basubati abange basokire skali batene nire bachakire wako magena already criticism ya soire kwanyorenga bande amonta kwobwa kwanyoro chiro ebisire ochiro kirire na kiyo monta kunyara ko handle buno musubati okonyoranga pressure nera ro kurasa mungana ye family na boigo kuramo koliska gari na ayo monto bende kwanyoranga anake omonto nare week na kia konyara gotenena bokongo ase sabari yiga yo gwikirana chindoto chiae chokoba oburai bonde bwensi gose konyo kwa chief kende gyonskeri asubuhi mabwae.
You know, this is a personal decision. And it needs courage. Njenku batebi ekero twaswete siasa number 1 ntu amanyetenga siasa
bagorama
teri kanisa entegitangani siasa oikoramu lakini mnabono Aaron onda menche nembuli
no nsarigo
I mean nsarigo
Geoffrey.
onda me nche nembuli
yes
na abaire embuli
ndikoba
yerikira
still director purity reality
stay kwelika. I usually tell people what things about is the water that gets into it.
True.
If you allow mangana alia get into you, that's when you will sink. Kwarukiru ikikwarukiru, you are not that. Inkyo kuiwera bobi. Geta teacher mato kenderera negasi yao. Obo chumbe ntagite mboli ntagite chumbe boli. Nkimbwana takokora ngende nkwanira abangina, nkwanira abagaka, nkwanira abapasta, nkwanire youth, nkwane mbatebi manifesto yane, nkingo chikubakorera, mbatebi ekinko batebi. Ekero kwara mukwagenda nyumba. Have you achieved what you wanted?
No.
You will not achieve. And igongo tebi abasubati rero. Ntobo, that is why ekero tokobo umetaba gaka igango chinarigere bakoranga ntune threat. That is why bako use mechanism weyu baturama bono twabwa twabatigeregeti around yeye no tolemba kengoli.
As a woman, as a lady, why do you think this elective post is chire chingia basubati bakole biyana and inchukita basubati barakole more than means? Because actually there's a lady otagira tagali otabanga nchino musubati machukumu yane nyumpaka alimete nkole ndande family abana nkole ndande igani mayetenga kibi ntunkole ndaba sona bagukunga buya. Why do you think this elective post is sabasubati na bogentoko choro bangi?
Tinda teba na babwene teko choro bangi. Anybody who's qualified.
Oh, Lord.
That is why in the beginning metekero biroge biga mbili byangi nonde. Nande kero na teba qualification nkero mondo. For as long as you are 18 years and above, you are eligible kogicha kwa achieve the requirements. Chiri chitakeire na IBC. Omosubati munabone kero kuligereria saba subati bare elected. Nonye issuance ye chibasari. It is equal. Nonye kero kuligereri noe amagacho bakolenta guchiba gwagaja noye jizukuru. They are very beautiful. Nonye nekero bakobangi bintu byabo amagenderero bakolenta. Yani bonzi pinchendo che 99% bakolire biya
of women.
99% of elected women on the male dominated seats bakolire biya. Number one, I think it's because they want also to show the world that a woman can lead and can do this work as a man can do. That is why knowing to gusiga iga igongo saba around yeiga abasuba asichi constituency to what is it 13 and go see the 13 at least 7 to baba subati to kogenda bunge nande ngo saba basubati twesoki twensipi twesoki oyole neganga soka boli chikura yenda sabantu chikura ne ground ba monto ta kungaina ngebesa kyango nini genda kolera abantu igasi genda baoroki practically baoroki keneke na kinda cheko bakolera na ikigwacholiru gaki timiza yale uliambia wananchi tali ngogo chagwaka banta maguta bano bonchali tokoleire bikonera girende 2027 michi change.
All right.
Asengane ya bonchari ndo tengana abayo chiyara enkora kurulire sana na yamanya kutoka nga bonchari bono abanta bange abasaya bange besokire bakare kweroka honorable na ndekiro kurigiria abasubati andake buna sabusubati bari bamanyikanire muno kuri bonchari bunae na nigorese gati abasacha usengwetane 20
Abana kire 30
abange bakale
bakubuli kiro kiga kyobubunge naki ogoche koigwaye buno musubati nande nkikiragere otebenga bono bakubwate bugongo
njibona nago tebe na tebe litangani abanchali bangakire chikura igotoganyite gochibara tochato beke bukonse tochake gasi but buna na tebe keruge kenkiri kyanginonde onde bwensi nare eligible nabwato busibole wogosoka kuligi chikura nande kero bara bange. By the way, I'm actually encouraged to actually be focused and committed kuligi chikule chiga, and I know with the help of God and with the favor of God he will give us victory, and I am not intimidated nga abagakabachira. I'm not intimidated actually. Ntakete kwanza baicha bange tobolie kiroge kega oyo kobua akorera abanchali egasi akiri muna nateba abanchali banchire ebukutoganyete tobekense tokorera aba
asaguman leader inkiekeli obubwate giego usuki kabisho gwetenga liwe liwaro okorera abanchali mere munande nkikeli kwara lire maite bona eno munchali no ibo irebo nchali no kinete bonchali kwaligire iringa kibanchali baeteire gocha. What is this that you have kire ime agonga ekekero ki insoebo nchali na nchina bonali guchinchu maboyo mugusobera so munchali
egetanga ningo chinarigereri the bursary issuance.
Okay.
Mnabona as we speak chibasari chiaina nitu style gitinga omwana onyekoro monchali na ndogo soma isko ya bonchali turikonyora basari egente getanga ningo chigwake kishira abanchali ba mintunga omwana bwomonda omwana bwomotaka bonsigo baguchiko babana bane ekeron kuligereri kwanyora abana bagoseliwe school because of school fees. And there's a provision at the CDF yogo konya abana baiga bagende school mbatoka isiko and again serikali netebete mwana takora ki taseliwa. But again, that doesn't mean no moibuli to bwenete ko wajibika no bwenete ko wajibika wakane school fees erinde school egendere gukora kwa achieve ngo chinde naligereringa ki abantu bokonyora once bagutware stress. They are going to be my priority. Inche bonchali mwanone tayo gochikogenda ngago chikoseli gukuru school okoba ye school fees. Mwanone inbonchali tayo gochikogenda eskuru eyanga gitandugete ngokoboro konyo ubwato konyora wansi
utachitense
ngotachitense nande mwanone ekero naso irobisi bana bane mbali gochikobeka afuta pumsi gento kelinekebe yani afuta pumsi nengia ya tokonyire lakini it is extremely uncomfortable both weathers. Ekero ekero gaso bwagete nekerembure twete they are very uncomfortable. Injenda achigotaka egento kelio mwana na akobeka mwana ononyega akobeka tafis. There is a way we can get tafis abana baitu bakoreki babeke mwanone inbonchali gekorumete monchali no musubati urengeli tangani ete mumanyete bayo monchali no musubati urenge yore nditokumanyanga nechisokuro chiatebire chiabokiri monchali gendalenda abana bayo I don't think in my leadership ningende enyagitali ende yonsi nyole nga a situation illegali nembe ntegerere. I know it's a devolved function lakini mugava no gochoro to mubwaterane lakini naenda kakobo mutu mumu narore the other side of purity when it comes to health. Tingo ikaransa no bongo boigambwate na connections chirimbwate ndole abasubati baito gose abangina baito bako walo in poverty. Because there's a percentage of poverty in Bonchari that needs to be eradicated. You know, tingo ikaransa ndigerelinga job opportunities abana baitonga igo batagete gokoraki kuganya baliko nechigasi noro chenchikete nga kibago swago chia bekonye. And I really advocate on agribusiness nga kitoko nyora chi talents chire Bonchari. How do we una togo chigojia kwa identify una bono ndo bwato momurokoro ku Brian Mogire e football yoga kirisha bana agasoka bono tima team club kiago. I don't know the club where boniga but that is talent that is paying. Nga kitoko nga kingo chigwenchua abana baito banyolire all the services a government ego ekwanana una bono ndo bwate job maju kazi maju kiri president ame roll out ngaki abana baito baguchi and especially bari wokonyora once bana bataka ngaki bakonyora opportunities ke kogromate once you've empowered omwana oyo mukorumo chibumo taka you've empowered that family. That is what I am going to ensure as a leader. Ngabonchari eruasere agende to the next level.
Yeah.
So that naintutobe benchmarking constituency as abantu bagucha kuligireri nkikegenderete gaiga. Yes.
Asia magana ya magendera mheshimiwa nkanyorolenga andake Bonchari wasekera tukuriya matuka abangwega chinse mochinyinge nchibwate TVET timanyanga Bonchari nkayere kero tukuriya se chiskuru chikwana na chikosi cha maoko
Bonchari ntobwate TVET but we have vocational trainings but otebekene they are not up to the standards that echinde. But luckily enough, we are working hard to ensure the president ngotware TVET. It is work in progress because even him na tebete kere constituency actually kere ward enyore a TVET go say vocational training whereby abana baitu baguchi ko enjoy the digital hub services ejire. The president will say government offer gocha kere ward, but because of poor leadership tobwate in Bonchari we are missing out on those things. Yekogera tobwate Kirwanda tobwate
tiabo borabonya ribare masaba izo kitutu masaba chi TVET
uko ziko kitutu nero unaboni gomo siko sorongo ngwagachare mbaka KMTC bacho borayubuya ono ganda bugirango terbugirange litu amanyete kwali kubo kamambi mburake kukonyorororo kwa mororo bono bugirango ya mesire
Bonchari abekirugati
Bonchari bono yani metintu Bonchari ni ntutwale kwerora
chipara
chilami chiro chinto bwati.
Yes,
lakini bono ase bintu binde twairanire maega. Yes.
Alright, asante umwanchi muligirire mutegeri enyoranga omorobeli ni gorgo etwandi jagatembe director Abumos of Kenya Honorable Purity Kirera nerora mwanaitu gaiga tukusanga kigima tualigiriri nene liaba subati andake asuku chingira ali tukuli nene liaba subati uno musubati oyo mobo basubati nando tutie mangana mangi katura sesebe yoburai andake ayo muligirire na rugwate kiringa kiri yusura kwa nene itubona mambia anamuno asaba subati wali muategera mangana igabono mambia omugaka Rebecca Omusai, good morning. Na bugo tuikira sana ba 0741583878 0726447367 eligira na yandake kwa na honorable Purity Kirera gaigabon mambia kusandake totebingo ine ayeli tukiri yali igoro ngwa chingire tomo subati bado norogoga tego chinga asaba subati unumu subati ne ngwisane kuri nga unumu subati ngwente kuchingirwa ine. Do think there is a reason to have this international women's celebration day kene kwa ngoni tubono mambia totebingo ainga yule bono mambia nando kubwata musubati ndogo chingira na bako muchingira bono mambia kora bado stila na batunga yuchingira ndo musubati bono mambia ema semo aiga se studio nchi momboli nga ngwa chingira na chingira musubati bonsi that's why they're tuligana Matilda na Purity iko bado tunawasherekea abuna baswati bono mambia what's your take andake otokwa nebo no mambia totebinga abaswati abega tukuchingira ugetinga madam Kirerate bega mbabwa telibaga no na soborai na babuna baswati na bagokora kiri musacha gokora. What's your take mambia bono katukunya kuliga iga we have to stamp
no koira so mani vaenjue vasokiri abana babo bachire gusoma kiro mwana agende school onye school keregabo around iro mwana e school nande nimanyete chiefs and leaders, local leaders abatureti elders bonsi bank mbaire mandate and mbaire instruction yo ensure abana baito basoke. But in such a scenario ayebuno musubati nayo bwenete wesokia weligere nkiuta gitekokora gumbaro nero bado
ya kuna shule
za watu
ama soma yabantabane
yes. Gumbaro nero genda ebwatire gitabo soma masomo tabuati bogotu so kabuna nate bonyo gwatagete kobo mwalimu so kasoma. There is something we call crash programs kwenda gwake myake bibere wasokire kwanyolera nene degree yao wachakire gusomia bana ikinyuruki yao obe a light yekinyuri kyu
iko mama mamba igweta banganaye
obe na ebe nganayo mwangaza gwekinyuri kyo gosoka gochikolento burabu ase kinyuri kyuro chenga ekenkeyo lakini I don't think in this century there's an area whereby inugusiga iga bana batali gusoma orange toratebe to specific families emechi but a community a whole kenyoreiga yeah those are two specific families and I'm sure chief nchiroro chikokoraki gento kende nkerorege kya early marriages kwanyoranga omwana osokire ngoko bayobo
obutaka usebito bido kobetererwa
nege ntokego chikoba otoko bwato moiboli tobwate omwana tobwate noyu asachire ono naende kente tekotebia abaiboli abasubati especially ayomaete ng'omwana osokire tomaeti asare naye togochera n'aba chief nko basabagake asimule bantu bari ba nyumba 10 ekogera they are the people who are in touch with these families
yes.
Koma nyetenge gentonke gendrete ngo mwana nabwenerete na mwana naroko gende school yani otigire school tamanyikaniti take that again take you with the seriousness that it deserves. Abana babaira niku basome mbachiko twaro bokongu ochimoto but ayomo iboli nayomo muroyo iga naye nyarukeye iga tutawachukulia hatua kali because naende umaite tutatindieti ibinte bigo chigokora kikogenderera and early marriages ngo chichire chia dita omwana kogenderera kuchiwachive bintu abwenerete gukora. But also we are doing our best as leaders to ensure we are enlightening these young girls so that they are able to go to school and achieve their dreams.
Yes, mweshe tutara tegerere kirengere kyo mwanjo mo tegerere no moligereria andake women as their own enemies. Abasubati okonyora buna bono asema ngana yoburai abantu abange bagwake chikura na basubati lakini kwa makonyora ngabasubati abanyene mbakonyora gochora na barabuboka na abasubati abanyene mpali gusirana engane yiganga kitora kore mentality yigabusi na boigeto kenga basubati na bara mustali obusio unabono advocate aso gusira abasubati bande.
It is lack of information at the grassroots level. Basubati ba itekerongo china bakwanira kubatebinde obuya oburai bumusubati twairiri ateira bagaka mono twairiri ateire babo onsaligo mono era undi tigano ebara batwakire
na babo muri habarariri atero
mutwakire bichuri but basubati ntwangaini that is something that abagaka baguchi batumia against us. And then I womondo gote kwana buyanga basubati no mwangaine ngano echikure chiga basubati mbago chikuwakera but it's because of lack of information. So I've taken an initiative yokogenda to the grassroots level to talk to our women and inform them, talk to them, train them nakuba kwanira banyare kuiguka banyare kumanya barorare bamanye oburai bw'omusubati because at the end of the day musubati nere no enyumba nyumba musubati nere oromurai neriere etali koreka.
Oh wow,
because musubati ngete nere tunasema ye ni shingo but shingo sin lazima kegotani na limo tuoko koraki ugonjoka musubati rerate benga abya ngochole kwara aligererie keromo
igeri gotibigo konga samo igamu tutoko korakende
lakini ngochole tutabe for example lekero musubati arwalire asenga ngakenke yego chiyara Vinto mbirgo chivyara for the 2 days aregetanda.
I know abangina motegera teka abono mambia angane by day and I wish nale kura ulibaga abangino nye mwingwete abono mambia kura kange simyora kwa na amushimwa Purity Kirera murali Matilda no baliga iga litukene liya ino kigima na ntuku sangamo andaka kuigura mangana iga almost ke Purity akwa nire bono mambia. Do you think uruchenga uno muswana wende kwa ulibaga yuburaibu ya kigima na andere ketako muchingira litukene liabo internationally ine do you thinking ne wenerete muswati nere ai wuli bagali nene asoborai. What's your take? Inamba ya itesimire 0741583878 inambendere 0741583878 chinambejino wachirika igama na intu na buku na intu kwa nango na intu gaiga in studio ni watu sanganere director Bomas of Kenya tukwa nera unarebo mura Purity Kirera amo numurali Matilda no tulamonere gaiga amanyete narali chiko chagantra chibugoli ngento wate birenga umuswati nebikoti bikoti nande na ibiwonchoka na iga biko irakende gyonsyo nyene kira kemo na ibikora igo no swati ba abarayiba karokora.
Very very true.
Matilda.
Yes. Mbuya kiveka. Diga tinta itugo so asense meyo. Kere como chomo tigre no moligere ni go kira ko biya se birevika biya abono mambi na kubo abonagero tukonya gukwana ngamangana ayobutaka busi andake okosaro ko no munyaruka no kwanerekyo
ebi abantu baroba ko libinde bibon oyo abwene that is gender based violence. That is gender based violence na onde bwensi okonyorekana kagokorege nteki gabwenete anafa kuchukuliwa hatua kali. We want to eradicate FGM completely in Gusii land. na I doubt kusaba ntumbaro baokora onye bakale
Bobisi.
bakora onye baokora bobisi umanyete no kole bintu siku za mwezi ni 40 tutakushika na tutakupeleka ndani na utalala ndani na hautatoka because we are fighting this violence against women. Yes.
Andaki kuligereria abali bakulikaga lindu cy'abantu bange sana abagukwana gaiga bo Moses Urwami agotebanga kurukiso mu kirikia nyakegogi agotebanga mheshimiwa, asante sana kwa kazi safi na ndi abasubati baigyo mufano obeso kiaso bunge Kigoma agina Thomas Ndari kurunya bigina to watching live and listening. Thank you yagotenga Morusiragira gotebanga one thing the problem abasubati bagotwara nga abasubati time tingo kwane role abasubati kerobanya irubura inga mbali gwa guskaba saja. Is it true? I want you to you see yes bango kwandiri bago kwanere eligera abantu mete nere nabwo atekerenga kwanira bo ese bayo metile. Yes.
Na aigachi sebo cha Facebook mama ke Ruth nera gotebana kurwa mabiria watching live no ari meyo murobiro na boigo MC Saka Classic out kurobogia kum word listening bogia kum word listening keenly from okay to Muish na boigo jo bwagora wote nimekusikia niko Dubai. Okay, nakusikia sana, asante sana na bagenda tete boigo era goteba maigaye gocha se county area Nyambere na Boniface Oino negatia bari bagusanga ujumbe cyabo cyensemo cha Facebook abane konye tonyora ndire ritangani tetigabono ekirengereri kyo mwacho motegereri asebire biga byabono mabyandake tukwanenga uburayi bwa basubati buna wete mheshimiwa Purity Kirera kuri bunge abunchari autena bukongo abasubati andake inkikiragere abasubati bagende bosio na boigo kubachengira Eriko Soro kura Keumbu na boigo Fredo Nduko kurwa Bitare Bonchari Bokeirebo Morenda Suneka akotebo yuko ndani pamoja hadi mwisho na mwalimu Elijah Ochenge kura South Mugrango The Noise Boy Embogo akotebo Komo kura Nyakiri Marani Mochikoro weri biriari ababa kone na monyolere Charles Longa mtokonyora na boigo mama ke Ruth nere kurwa ama biria na ndea otebongano ale ime yombrobelio
Alvin Kiage kurwa chinsemo chia butoro banchali batale gochoro musubati uyu. Okay. Dochiga Richo Munyancha gotebanga women salbeta bakuragilia abasibia abaro simpaka basaje barolekana bachorwa asibirogo abakulikaga bange sana kuleto bulibiri isato iga kurego birengere byabo. Good morning Getembe, hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Ninga minchangere amangana yo mwogo kwana no musubati Purity.
Karibu sana mpaka all the way kuruchisa mo chamageni.
Amina.
Yes, karibu sana.
Ono igonaga nimbo liriboli ngaki.
Oh yes.
Omogusi omongaini akabori gwalizwa likobwatia. Akamaya tebuanga tata na baba ni ngomuya.
Yes.
Akamana kwende akatebanga tata no muya na mama no muya ko mbinto byabora
koya
ko bahabari.
Yes.
Bono toko mana kwena ime ase abangina nabaya abangina nabaya mbabwatega cyinga bakora bagatokorega cyingiya lakini abangina aba
yes
asenge nje bakorega cyinkenke ari nyomba yagera bamanyekana muno okia se familia.
Oh yes.
Bono ekaba bamanyekanire omugaka utabetibuya nabe serikali yakogenda. Bono omugaka kanimo mwaka tayigokora.
Yes.
Abantu bonsi ngokora bari buya. Tata ngokora bari buya na mama ngokora bari buya ekere njara yaje tase kenyoro mama akarenta endagira aka omwana oli otandegete.
Oh yes.
Na tata keraji gocha akarete yanga aso omwana oli gotara bosa. Bono omwana oli akajikuborunga tata na mama ni ngomuya. Omwana oli agatebanga mama no muya asenge nchangete liondi inkaria ekona ngene nchara.
Oh yes.
Na tata na bagakora na manene togokora bagaka na manene togokora ko dirire na marimo twadi ne school fees twadire na mangana lakini amangana makanyomba omongino tiga naro na kigeko ratokoro kwa emetu yenka.
Oh yes.
Bono management research ya koro management ya yegenka emongina nigabwate kura kinyinge na ende asenge njobwate management yengiya na obayirete kikura bono abangina kwa babwata mabira ko bwaba gaka bono abangina abaka babwata amabira mange.
Yes.
Imba kore buya nonyina soburai obubwa sinyire bono toroja bagaka basinya sinyirwa around.
Right.
Bono omongino yo nabondo chenga nabwate ebirenge byebiya.
Oh yes.
Lainde na bwenete koko ikwange abwatwo koboko anyorikirwe kya korigia egekogera ere abangina mono mbali ko twara mangana corruption mbayo mono kobwa bagaka
bagina babu ati corruption
abangina batika bayo bagake na baro batorenga tibora igwambu yabore biamono.
Asante sana brother, thank you changio kuyakege mabono mambia ukwana ile a lot of issues geiga what credibility ngi sana watabaga aba subati kusubungina numo haka abantu abozi nabayara kinende wataira mangana corruption watabira bangina bali gutwara bokurumi monoko bwa basacha. I think on purity utakuwa unaelezea zaidi kwa mangana ayo kado usangana ituka genengelikiago andake bono mambia lingana linene abasubati asurai katoko chingira abasubati bonsi ensengima inebirenga libyo mbirubi 0741583878 0726447367 studio ya itoga igeye mahasamura usangana itubura mambia mheshimiwa kendo chiga chukende kuchaga tutumbe chirichi nyingi chisimingo cha chirega iga tutakuwa tunaangazia moja kwa moja lakini na hali gali okuwa netenga na haro inyorobo ya tenga motenga to tebinga basubati garabanya irubura ayi bako chaba kaka. Is it true? Abira mentality.
It's a mentality.
Yes.
And also ekobwati
the kind of
ige kobwati ngakyo iboire ngainde ntari ngakyo iboire ige kobwati ngakyo orereire like how you were brought up.
Oh, okay. Because
to go from nowhere ochake gochayo muntu just because kwanyolire madaraka. It doesn't make sense. That means you're not a leader in any way, because leadership nebwate aspect ya respect to the people oko gambira starting from omugako yakogera otatwale tia masikani. It is something that will catch up with you, but in a mentality abantu babwate nande onyo okaroro kareko chayo mugakoye usabantu abantu around metetali mugaka bwekora chayo
abantu the
community.
Yes.
So oyurende takakero chino ogakero but tinkageriti.
All right.
Because narolira abantu abange banyoriro burayi batekero bayiranire nyumba.
But still the woman should remain.
They still bunanje boni ama director lakini ekeronde nkaminto.
But still
my daughter to my dad and to my home.
Yes.
My daughter na boko chaga ali onyole nkwabusa. Onyole nkorusi chinsi yaga no enkoru mugondo. So ekero kwanyoliro borai, it is not a ticket gochaka gochaya abantu. Nande kero gochaka gochaya abantu abuno e downfall ya gochake. Otobwenete bosika abantu baito bonsi, because mete we are made in the image of God. So ekero gosiko omuntu egona ende nyasaye wasika in one way or the other. Yeah.
Na kwa na corruption tabuli igego chaga igase studio ndo chichi ya sore ko chatabuli chinde otebrenga compared to men's and women's na wasacha kwa boke babuka to tampa ke ku swati na kumiriende na wako anaigo
oguro korengere likuaye but eke naro abasubati nabo baturi.
All right.
Ntubwati koboko gutambe gogo chiko twaro bukurumi mono. And bunaboniga umusubati tose kwe gulibaga on an elective seat.
Yes.
Ndo chiko babo basana. Ndo chiko kora bunanje guika yani ndo sibonchali mbaka yani yango tevi ototo ngoso borai abo muraruzie bikoro to mutare.
Okay, iko chisoksi tukuratika busongo toche.
Kogere go chikora base
Kwa ni mpaka na aliko nyoreru gagete murai gita kwani takirire tini kunye kwa nagaiga. Alright, tumajuma tagala liekere kionke kigasanga kuna piru sikirera bono mambia no murai nande is one of the leaders bali batini nasibiru kubiri electric posters akura sensible bunchali na buno musubati egatoko kigira basubati ine ayekere kionke kigabono mambia. Good morning. Asore liogindire alo gatamba namna gani tena yagibwate ligiri nyingi na bwake lya kabire masema ina mbisi mire 0726 447367 niliendere 0741 583878 na ndikirikio ni king nchusana gaiga asinchira yabene mama mo agotabanga kurwachi semo chirichi aliyo yuko watching and listening agotabanga umwano hitoga iganto mwenchete na aende mbele yani igogenda busu obayete kusono naro likobolinga na hali serious uzakunja kuikakati ati
ngongo tigera
iraneli
ya ngongo tigera gakyo nditayo ngotigera una nateba litanganya umeta banchali bangakire chikura igotoganyete gochibara na gochaki gasi kigima so tindi gochigotigera onde kiroge kigotore
na bura ikote benga basacha babira bange bono
bono kwanza igomba tagete baicha bange mono ndagete bacha bange kabisa lakini esa bali yeyotole komo pakengoli yes nande nyasaye karanche nabondabe the first elected woman from Gusii region on an elective seat where men are dominating that space.
Getembe. Yes.
Usaligo.
Karibu sana Monta.
Wale chenye peyo unare bujaiga mungwaneri.
Kwa kwani una
naitabire.
Mwana minto nara kuguri kinsemo kya bonchari onkuru wori ya pastate eliye igete mutonto. Bono nara kugure sana ni mbata basani bane kurubugita baka bumurenda baka materiana. Barante biringo muswati naro enyota sana kuri kikura. Isuwa lindire ngo kobori umwana minto rake koko kabisa nkuri yori kikura. Onyore muntu ndo go to promise ngege ntonkere ngo kukurumye tenene gatiga asikigwa tumire eiga igora atige osoke abanchari ose goko genda bakengori abanchari bashereke ngana abori kikura akabugwa osakabwa kintu kindi ngakotebi abanchari kibara ko kikura to bake komochania otenki simi ryo bwatera ini
yes.
Unyura bataka, unyura baburaka, ubeka banginamo, uba ekireza begende liko stikimi wa usune kagweka, baka mugumugweka, ebyombe. Nana bawo kolengera kintunde ndi akukibosyo. Nando omwana minto. Bariora abeke. Kibroka kiri kigo sungana wana siasa. Ba koletero mogenki. Ba koletero mogenki. No nino limo ko liko munya lebengo okorera ringa getu gete kuranchiyo. Nabo gura heto visa. Ojo gote gine senior asesiasa. Ku 1969 ya nyeni mugunde kari moyo.
Na bongo muereza. Nekene.
Na kiri bure. Babo Steveni Manoti.
Oh good.
Babo pore bararire. Bono nte geteko gotevia. Egento gyo okokora otoro committee urarigi amasabike kire kyo bekamo anyagokoganya gwa kakisini anyagogwa kamaguta okoirana na sabamina okoirana na sabagaka na muchango na makwiria no cia sabeire okoboko kwa waso igwa ntereria utarire ini yemo onye na matanga gite kwa bikiri busato na matanga ande to rukomi ande to rusano utarire ini yemo bamanyenga nyarebe ga gutuma go chaiga na no agutuma to base gwanteri ngaya na matanga ari nyumba ugutuma kirwe 200 ari gutuma 2 aso utakabore kabisa nyenye kanyombu tukora abao mochere na kirio kurugia kawaita kwareta byo musangerekano kwa mana kubasabire kura ndiye mono liti kurigia miguna gusonyo nyonyo ni kurubo basi
okoire yokora koire skuru inyigia naroba tobaga kabega abasiasa banene babonyo ni bachagite siasa kale sana
kare kabisa
mwako igana mu manyete kale sana na mangra siasa okoto ibi bintu bingi gali umete yentugira kuona ngantuligireli sana andake what's your take on that abantu mayitegero orumu na siasa abantu bali my gago agent sabantu bandi
again to ngochukote bali tangani mugaka esabali ye igotole pakomo elio
tindi
gochikoe ukende gekogera esabali ye igana chagete is priceless ondeta yo gochikobe kaligo lia esabali ye because how else am I supposed to go to serve abantu ba bonchari so esabali ye iga tebuati go lirinde lyonsi na ndo ndeta yora afford so igotogo kolega sie yega esabali ye mba komo elio enambe yembwate igona aberire nero kuruna lenge gasi it was my line na aberire nero over 15 years now yeah te butingo change kogera ni line ya it's my personal line and line ya negere open anytime binte byonsi wa kwanire chibroka inchetimbu atibroka ende yonsi my siasa yane is a people based politics
yes
timbu atibroka ogocha gontebinga oyo nomube
unsaligo ngo kwana halebo
unsaligo ngo kwana halebo komoboli aenki kwa kwana keronzaliga kwana
nanje na akireki
senga keronzaligo montebi unsaligo oyo kwanire ganga kikialenge so mbia mona se advice obose miubu kwangeire ngo chinde kubobwatere naende mbia mono sana basani ba okorubonchali bonsi gakyo mugaka batebi batubwate siesa baliye
getembalo
Aloga tembo salibo bwakina no mswati oye mheshimiwa.
I know monchali bono mheshimiwa oregaiga. Karibu sana kocha.
No monchali oli chimana ni tenda tembe buroka ya gonga
aye kocha. Mumanyi bora onyeni nakana chibroka. Onyeni nakana chibroka.
Onyeni na okano yoko ba kinabona ibuna baba leteko na mane tebo monchali ngima.
Yes.
Akin tiambe buroke na bayari ira kumanya nyeri makatinga buroka yo mane yo komoji kanye buroke mbe
aye mumanyi pure jonya ko chaigonga igonga ga kumumanyete
ya igonga to kumanyete ande bo masana re bwa kikura kinyinga chibo tana ya rure muntu yago etena chwa
igobona kwa mumanyire
igona mumanyite bone na mbeni na manya chiga usanye no
Erenkwirwanire hali erenkwirwanire muntu
ekocha igonga ngaiga igantanya gocha gusigaki
bona korambona ko ulira kirende wirwanire
exactly
yes Matilda tabuliyende
gati yamaboli ande ko kubabeka gabunalinga unabona wasi ugwanjiriri unabona wasi michango nandike amaine kiaberige korokana skuru wasi gati abarai andake no musubati una wate bana ebintu busubuna chibasari abana baranyore equal mento ebintu bune bigo konyore michango niraro emiga au andake no kwanere nekiora inekinga usawa kwa wote
actually amatanga ngo ikatore kogenda tore nkorutore asokunyara lakini nainde matanga nara aliyo kuchikwaranga are wokonyoroke mostly amatanga bunayo nongo chinabe kokoboko ndali kuligerelinga konye nkorunde gaiganene but umanyetekero bwachire kwabaire no nebiruga abantu bagucha guikaransira kwabagulira amabere sukari kwabekiro koboko but normally sisi hatupendelei but asi abantu banyolira obokongo especially babwate okonyora once nkobeka toroko boko gwaitoro mono zaidi kobua abande abundo ndatebe na chereiri okay, but it's because of the reason as sympathy and empathy and all that, but ngoikera torabantu nande we try as much as possible kolera nabantu bamintekero banyoriro bokongu oborwaire hapa na pale nekero kiamabi. Yeah.
Alright, bono mwencho mwategereri gaigando che bado na batongere usanga lakini andake mbono gotonyora sempeo mbya tukunyulinga ikurunga Getembe Radio 102.7 Getembe Television nomurobali ni kurunga etwani ya Getembe idi house the only one director of Bomas of Kenya Madam Apiru Chumura Kirera mushibiwa weteno akonye usangana itugiye keratuko chingira diskuli basubati ekiringe kanene umusubati asubrai musubati na isaine gusenga kiauroche musubati nabo ntakonyora libaga soborai. What is your take? Nchumuligeli katole usanga adake nseme yende Matira
nekiro obo togo boli manyare usange vrengere abo si chinsemo chirichia online chinsemo cha Facebook na bwo chinsemo cha YouTube na asingencho yebiro mwishimiwa andake bono kerioli getinga umunchari ama onchorerio ari organiti no gusenchira abantu bakora no nyesiasa kurubunchari anyare gukorekana engana yao nereri kubwa bono chinga kichiga liberera lya siasa lya chakire kubwata nseke
Again, tongo chikoboria banchari ba minto kero ya siasa tobe factual ntogenda ntokora siasa ya emotions ntokora siasa nga oyo igabwate chibesa ngo tusereire mono nere tokwa imetukost moroche nga chibese chitoko ya to costly when it comes to amagenderero toligireri buno monchari montuki obochigo tokonya especially gekogera bonchari twanchiranire omuchumbe Purity Murakirera tokogende county nobo president toligireri ngai togochikobeka enyomba yaito because ekero chikura chia elire nintu togo tigara ndotagete chipara as chia tigaira I think bonchali ndotagete chipara ngeinye igachia national government ndotakeira mariogo chinyagitali chieito naetana neteigoro bonchali. To be honest, ntobwati enough mother and baby asaba subati baitu bakogenda hange chinyagitali chiri chiroro nkeigo chibwate MCH itoligereri nga kitokonyora chinyagitali chingi ya chigo tokonya nga kichiskuru chieito chigo chikoba and generally ngaki tokonyora magenderero tomesi bonchali tonente change ya bonchali siasa ego chagwa kuchitaliki 10 omotinyo 8 2027 after that ayebu no momenyi bonchali gosomo omenyi ogusi no tagete services chingia no tagete omwano anyore chiskuru chire chingia no tagete tonyore TVET around bonchari or TVET chi vocational training chire around bonchari chibe upgraded igongo saba siasa ya chire emelindo ewave nereyo neroro but 2027 toake kura not because of a wave but obongaini boli tobwate bunomo gusi torore toake kura ntoyenyora embeo isiko because kigeko gerango tebaiga gusi tiganda abeka bono bonchali part of gusi engima chinsenchire okogenda kwanyore para teiyo asinaro kogenda kwarigereria nyagitari kwerorera amabera kwebori gaki muntu narogoche nyagitari eyeiga abanyagitari bagokora igasiororo mbare motivated kurigereria umeta sinari nyagitari nero kogenda nonye kwarwarete kwatwara hope yokobwena anda sinaro kogenda kwarigereria wate kwebori gakiga iga ninche nduga
kwanyerera amabera kurwarete
kwanyerera amabera liba. So I'm really asking our people to tukue very very careful ntochikwenyora embeo isko asobora yobo bondi boguchaka but ntuna abantu abangaini mogusingete bagoteba negetinkinye kengaini ntoligerereti ntoroche lakini nainde siasa ni demokrasia kila mtu nabwato bosibore ago support oli arojenga oyo nankonye egentekenene omurembe egentekenene obwanchani siasa ne season ekero ya elire
nani bado we
kuyana twabamo but egentekenene toligereri where are we going to benefit buna omogusi.
All right,
yes.
Mbea mona sana tindege tia seta geke mutindege nchiroke bonchari usenchugwe bonchari.
Yes. Yes, airport. The president is coming to commission that thing and I'm very very excited. Kwenye umete twaulirwe gento keri. Kwenye giachire babo likware gotebyo monginanga ekiendege giachire. Mongino boliui but thank God our President William Ruto, and I really want to again take this opportunity to thank him so much for actually recommissioning the airport Yabonchari, and we welcome him to come and flag it off una obo agachi bogochaka kera gocha nabwate development tour bwangoiga ka gocha bonchari agocha ochakira nande nkuba sababa nchali omuraibwense ka gocha mwesokia sobonge tumukaribishe otoira neiri getigia ito kiendege kegochigokonya not only abanchari but abagusi as a whole.
All right,
yes,
thank you. Kero cho mwenchi muligiringa na bondo chinga chiakanire sana na ndekero chiakanire intugaiga bagotenga kilicho na mwanzo kikoskwa natama ndocho twakolire lakini ngirane ase mushimiwa ndakengana yo mweli somo gusibo na generally nabangina baitwa kwanire gaiga ekatokora kurugaiga sinchira bene kima umayete tairaisi wakonyorantu wakonyora lero namutua kwa naere roiga nande mandikero ngo kolingo kwa Gresimi oteboga Kalebo Masikali Nairobi gotuyo bono lero kule gai kwana ngono mugusi engara yo mweli gakima katukuchukuru moruri wetu ani bono
mugusi oito gento nko basaba buna botambe twanchete mugusi no monto bwate omorembe mugusi no monto kwaga oko embrace abantu koruchinse ne chingongo wao egentongo sabagusi tutwaro morembe ntoitera manyinga gusi okoba yo montonde bwensi ekyo negesiumba tuguchikwerentera bune community siasa eyegango chire gwakwa tigatokore siasa yo morembe buneri abantu leaders baito ba before bali gokora babo oburerikale babo nyonka omugaka Zakari babo nyachae bonsi chisegi babwate igo chiarenge cyumunwa nchiarenge cyugoitera amanyinga so ngosaba nonyekero siasa yachakire boniga tutuware omorembe oyokonie getunguru mukiaye tigaoni murigererio nyenkerikia getige onyokoroche kiao nekia kigore tegerero monte kiago kwana mutigagende tutuwaro omorembe nande mugusine getinkinye kengaini tochore abarai baguchigo tokonya igente kenene abanchari ba minto biamono sana subwanchani mwangorokiri kurugesa nchaka kubatebinga nkubolinde nimbwate gange yo kubolie kiro kyobochumbe nande biamono asogo nsabera nkubasaba mogenderere gonsabera mogenderere support to change bonchaliamo abataka abanda bokonyora gwanse abana youths abangina bonsi tubwaterane to change bonchali yaito biamono.
Right, mwanchu murigeli 51 minutes past 9 ajide Cameron gitano na mocha butukiri guru chinsa isa tu chabon mambia na rongono Afrika ya mocha murubuli etuan kuruchinsa chiri komena iberetu asangira mo gaiga kigima asa mange kigima kendo chigali bono ige keto gukorera gaiga se etuan mambia bono ai wasangana itubono mambia watu ligirelia wategerana gwaliga ujumbe watu ibirengeli bia we want to appreciate your support mwanchu murigeli ndra gusangana itumurubuli ya Getembe Frame na Getembe Television chinga kichonsi wega okekoragano ungabo tambe asokonyora onsi amayama nsu kukomanya goko kinagosemya chinga kichonsi chigurugura Jufri Onsarigo mwana bweliroba asetuani ya Getembe kwa niaba ya bonsi bye bye sobono
Matilda ubaigotara obutegererio bya nabo igogorigerio bya litukorigia